lifeguard, all the way from New Zealand. Come on, let's hear it for Adriana Rowe and Maria That was pretty fast. But like these next two are both troublesome in their own right, and both think they deserve a spot on So You Think You Can Dance. No, the Zimbabwe version. Okay, let's welcome Filippo, Alfonso, and Jacinta. Yeah, we just got the call. Zimbabwe didn't want it. Okay, let's see if we can turn these chairs up a notch. It's time for the maid of honor and the best man. A little bit about the maid of honor. She's of Filipino. You said, who is this that talks while I'm talking? Show yourself. She's a Filipino of Filipino descent and Maria's partner in crime since they were little boy bees. So now they were older and they're best friends for life. And her partner is Randy's younger brother. Yeah, big, friendly, gentle giant. All the way from Hawaii. Come on, let me hear some noise for the time of the Alright, for the next one, I'd like to ask all of you if you can please stand and help me welcome. Welcome my sister, Maria Alfonso, and her lovely husband, Randy Sarier, to the floor. Please.